Good day. How are you?
Good day to you. How you
We're
doing?
good. It's been early day today.
Oh, well, where are you guys calling me for? I want to let my audience know first I'm talking to Debbie Mazar and her husband, Gabrielle Corcos, and they are the cooking husband and wife team that we get to see on TV. Where are you guys calling me from today?
Today we're in Manhattan, New York
Ooh.
City,
New York, New York.
just like I pictured.
Just okay. I love that. I love that. Well, thank you for joining us. You guys have been doing so much. If I start with you, Debbie, hopefully that's okay with Gabriella. Women are always first in my world.
Yes, ladies first, always. I mean,
He's a
I'm a good
gentleman.
Italian boy. That's what Mama taught me. Ladies first.
All right.
Plus,
I like that.
she talks too much regardless, so she would cut me
Dude,
off.
who's talking now?
Go ahead.
Debbie, what have you guys been up to? I see you guys are in Italy. You guys got a big new kitchen.
Well, actually, this is not our kitchen. We're on a stage.
Well, wherever you are, you got to remember you guys started off in
It's
the
a nice
tiny
big
little
kitchen in
kitchen.
Manhattan.
Yeah, no, today we're celebrating in general Italian Heritage Month. My husband is from Tuscany, and we are partnering with Bertolli. Bertolli is a company that originated in Tuscany as well. It's their 150th anniversary. And Bertolli has partnered with No Kid Hungry to feed children. There are one out of 5 children across our country are not eating. They're
Isn't that
hungry.
crazy?
And
It is crazy.
so we're here to raise money. We're here to share Italian heritage. Bertolli for this anniversary has made a line of sauces called the Italian Riserva, and there's 4 different flavors. Right now we are making the marinara, and my husband is turning it into it's called amatriciana, which what does that translate to?
It comes from amatriciana. It's like pancetta, garlic, hot pepper flakes. Has a nice kick to it, a touch of proteins, saltiness, pepperiness, like that tingly that you
Pancetta
can
isn't
feel in the back.
bacon, by the way.
Well, pancetta is pork belly that is cured, but it's not smoked. That's just the difference.
Yeah.
It's smoked while bacon is smoked.
So
you don't
yeah,
have
you
that,
just
you know.
I don't know if you can see this, but like it's like
sure I can.
lovely. Well,
Don't burn your
I don't know.
husband,
I'm not
please.
gonna burn you.
She
So
said.
we're
She
doctoring this up just because we want it to taste a little bit more spicy.
Well, but this is the thing, people always ask us, you're always cooking, you're always cooking.
Here,
well,
why
it's,
don't we
it's
cook?
true.
Here,
why
you-
don't we
you-
cook?
you talk.
To a degree, this is what we do. But I even remember my mother, when I was a kid, like working parents not always have the luxury to be able to stay at the stove for like an hour and a half every night to prepare dinner. Now,
You're tired or whatever.
It is my job. I have my restaurant. I'm always cooking, so it doesn't really make a difference for me. But when it comes to keeping something in the pantry to make your life a little easier and to really enable you to sit down for dinner with your family and loved ones, why not have a fantastic sauce like the one that Bertolli makes? Now, today we're using the marinara for this specific recipe, but within the Riserva line, there are other 3 fantastic flavoring. We do have the Asiago, an artichoke that I actually like to use in vegetarian dishes like, my vegetarian lasagna or obviously other dishes of pasta. There is the balsamic with the caramelized onions, and that is absolutely sick. If you grill some eggplants, some garlic, some mint, sage, olive oil, salt and pepper put together, add a little bit of this sauce, and it can become bruschetta, can become a pasta sauce. And then obviously, last but not least, porcini and truffle oil. That can become a fantastic bruschetta or, again, a dish for pasta. Or, in this case, I added some olives and I made a wonderful chicken cacciatora, which is a very traditional Toscan dish. So, sitting at the table and having dinner together, having a meal together, shouldn't be taken for granted. And that's
what we want everybody to
Yes.
take a picture. It could be of anything that's sort of Tuscan inspired. Use a hashtag #MyTuscanTable and post it, and Bertolli will give $1 for every post that you do, and it all goes
that's so
and it all
neat.
goes to the kids.
Yes, and $1 actually produces 10 meals. So think about that. And one of the things that I actually encourage, we're here, we're adults, we're doing it. Tell your kids to do that. They're always a stick with their phone. You're paying the phone bill. Tell them,
It's
what,
good for them
today,
to be aware.
Please do that. Be aware. You're
Yeah.
lucky tonight. You're having dinner. It takes 10 seconds. 10 seconds is 10 meals.
My kid,
Imagine that.
Oh, well, I was going to say my kid goes to public school, and she is aware of like how lucky she is because many kids don't come to school with good things in their lunchbox.
So go to villabertolli.com, go to their Facebook profile, check every channel, share the My Tuscan Table, and celebrate life, celebrate their 150th anniversary, celebrate with your loved ones, and feed the kids. Help us out.
Bon
Well, we love
appetito.
Bertoli, so we can do that for you guys, and you guys are a great duo. I'm telling
Thank you
you
very
guys
much.
are a handful. Thank you.
We'll see you soon, Texas. We'll come back.
Yeah.
We loved it there.
Please come back. Thank
We
you.
will.
Promise.
Y'all.